Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to learn and solve some past years JEE questions of limits. In the last two videos, we saw the indeterminate form of limit and how to use the formula. So today we are going to solve some past few years question. Now for next 2 to 3 lectures I am going to solve past JEE questions, so you have get the idea how to solve this type of question and which type of question are regularly asked in the JEE exam. Okay, so first, this is the question from JEE 2014. So what's the question? It's limit x tends to 0 sine of pi cos square x upon x square. Now you can select two methods here. First of all, if you apply the limiting value here, then you can see cos 0 is 1 into pi, that is 1, and sine pi is 0. So numerator is 0 and denominator also 0, so 0 by 0 form. So you can apply L'Hospital rule here. But you have to apply it 2 times, because after you apply first time you apply L'Hospital rule, then here at the denominator it comes 2x. So if you put the limit 0 again, then it again comes 0 by 0 form, and you have to apply again this rule. But there are a shortcut method here which we can apply. So this is the solution for this sum. Question is limit x tends to 0 sine of pi cos square x upon x square. Now friends, see here, we can write cos square x as 1 minus sine square x. So pi into 1 minus sine square x, that is pi minus pi sine square x. So sine of pi minus pi sine square x. Now pi minus something, that means second quadrant. Sine is a positive function, and here we are going for pi, so function is not going to be changed. So sine of pi minus pi sine square x, that comes out sine of pi sine square x. Now upon x square are here is x square. Now we all know this thing, that limit x tends to 0 sine x upon x is 1. If here is 2x, then we must have denominator as 2x. Here the numerator sine of angle is pi sine square x, so we must have here pi sine square x. So we just multiply by pi sine square x and pi divided by pi sine square x. So this whole thing, see friends, this whole things I will going to mark here. This whole thing comes out as a 1, because sine of theta upon theta is 1. Limit x tends to 0 sine theta by sine theta is 1. Okay friends, and similarly this thing, sine square x upon x square, limit x tends to 0 sine square x upon x square, this also comes out as 1, and we just have remained with pi. So pi is our answer. It is very simple sum. You can I suggest you to solve this sum by L'Hospital rule. Okay, now we are moving towards the next sum. Okay, so what's here is the question. The question is limit x tends to 1 minus x into 10 pi x by 2. Now see friends, if we put limiting value as a 1, because here limiting value is 1, if we put as a 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0, and here 10 pi by 2, that means infinite, so it comes out 0 into infinite form. But if we want to use the L'Hospital formula, then we must have to convert it into 0 by 0 in infinite by infinite form. So how we can do that? I just simply write this 10 pi x by 2 as 1 upon cot pi x by 2. Easy. 10 pi x by 2 is equal to 1 upon cot pi x by 2. So it comes out like this. Limit x tends to 1 minus x upon cot pi x by 2. Now you put the limit. So if you put the limit as 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0, and cot pi by 2 is 0. So if we get 0 by 0 form, and if we get 0 by 0 form, then we simply apply the L'Hospital rule. Now we just have to apply L'Hospital rule. Now using L'Hospital rule, what we have to do? We have to separately differentiate the numerator and denominator. We just have to separate differentiate the numerator and denominator. So if we want differentiation this numerator, that is 1 minus x, it comes out differentiation. Once differentiation is 0, minus x differentiation is minus 1. So we come left with minus 1. And what is the differentiation of cot pi x by 2? Cot's differentiation is minus x by 2 into pi x by 2's differentiation is pi by 2. This minus minus 1 gets cancelled out. This comes here, it's 2 pi, it's constant, so we taken out here, and limit x tends to 1, 1 upon cos x square. Pi x by 2 is comes out sin square pi x by 2, and if we put here now limiting value as 1, then sin square pi by 2 is 1, so we have the answer is 2 by pi. It is very simple sum. You just have to convert the 0 into infinite form into 0 by 0 form. Okay friends, now in the next 2 or 3 lectures we are going to see more videos on limit and other types of sum which are asked in the past JEE question papers. Okay, thank you for watching this video. You are watching This Is Awesome Videos, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit the subscribe button.